Mga ka-teacher, bago natin simulan, huwag kalimutang i-like, share at subscribe para lagi kang updated sa DepEd memos at benefits. At kung plano mo ring mag-apply for promotion, siguraduhin i-save ang video na ito para guide mo step by step. Sa Part 1, napag-usapan natin ang overview ng Expanded Career Progression. Ngayon, focus tayo sa pinaka-importanting tanong. Paano ang proseso ng promotion o reclassification para sa mga guro? Una, sino ang pwedeng mag-apply? Current public school teachers, kinder to SHS, ALS, SPED, IPED. Dapat ay may required years in service at performance rating for the past 3 years. At kailangan may eligibility or degree requirements gaya ng LET passer, master's units, kung para sa master teacher. At iba pa depende sa rank na ina-applyan. Kailangan ihanda ang mga sumusunod. Accomplished Personal Data Sheet o PDS, Latest Performance Rating o IPCRF, Certified Service Record, Transcript of Records at Certificates ng Trainings or Seminars, at Portfolio o Means of Verifications. Note, kumpletuhin lahat bago magpasa para hindi ma-delay ang processing. Ganito ang flow ng application. Fill out ang application form at ihanda ang mga supporting documents. Submit sa school head para sa initial review. School head to division office HR for validation. Division office to regional office for final evaluation. Kapag pasado, issuance ng appointment sa bagong position. Tip, sundin ang deadline na ibibigay ng division para maiwasan ang late submission. For example, Teacher 3 with 3 years satisfactory service plus performance rating, very satisfactory. Pwede na mag-apply as Teacher 4 na may additional qualification standards to ay eligible for Master Teacher 5. Sa madaling salita, kailangan naka-align ang iyong service record, eligibility, at academic units sa bagong rank. May standardized templates na gagamitin. File naming convention, submission, through official DepEd email or physical copy, depende sa division office guidelines. Always double-check instructions ng division para sure. Madalas na pagkakamali ng mga applicants, kulang sa MOVs, o hindi nakaayos ang documents, late submission, mali ang file naming, o walang signature. Avoid these para smooth ang processing. Recap. Eligible ka kung pasok sa qualification standards, kumpletuhin ang documents, at sundin ang step-by-step process. Question. Sa mga bagong ranks na Teacher 4 hanggang Teacher 7, anong rank ang target mong ma-promote in the next 2 to 3 years? I-comment sa baba. Handa ka na bang ma-promote? See you sa Part 3 ng Expanded Career Progression Series mga kaguro.